right, you got it.
Good morning, everybody. We have still got rain in the forecast today, but it's not the only problem today. I expect the rain really to begin wrapping up prior to lunchtime for most of you. In the far western suburbs, it's already happened. But wind is a big issue today, and that wind is going to whip down the lake and push waves across areas along the lakefront, creating lakeshore flood warnings for many folks anywhere along the rim of Lake Michigan. We've got those lakeshore flood warnings up in effect through tonight. I want you to know that the waves could top 16 feet across portions of northwest Indiana. You're looking live at Lake Michigan, and wow, it is really churned up. We are not supposed to be by the lakefront anyway today, and I would second that based on the weather concerns in addition to coronavirus concerns. Now, what I see wind gust tracker is going to show that the winds will settle in across mostly northwest Indiana shoreline by a little bit later on this afternoon into tonight, while everybody else starts to see a little bit of a release from that wind. Now, I do anticipate that the lakeshore flood warnings will remain in effect through tonight, but the flood watch and flood advisory is expected to be let go a little later on this morning based on the fact that while we still have rain right now and have picked up at spots over 3 inches, I expect it to sort of taper off by about lunchtime today. Here's a look at the real-time weather alert radar tracker today. You can see it starting to taper down already by about 11 o'clock in the morning. Just a few showers lingering for a little longer in northwest Indiana. And before the sun sets, I think many of us may actually see some sunshine. Some areas out to the west are going to have sunshine for a vast majority of the day. Satellite and radar tracker showing a beautiful day setting up for Friday. Additional rainfall accumulation on this really will be measured in the hundredths of an inch, as I do expect that rain again, as I said, to kind of wrap up here within the next couple of hours. So we may still have some residual effects, of course, on rivers and on roadways, things of that nature for much of the day today, if not longer for rivers. Tomorrow, 63 degrees and mostly sunny and 75 then Saturday. That's the best day of the weekend.